Welcome to ANSPACK. We are providing the best packing solutions of automatic counting and packing. Here are our main machines that we are producing. Hello, this is Connie from ANSPACK. Our company is specialized in research developing and manufacturing visual counting packing machine for different industries, especially for rubber industry. Next, I would like to share with you about our counting packing machine, which widely used on O-ring, rubber parts, and vice seal. Okay, let's watch the video. First video shows the application on O-ring. With our automatic feeding machine, O-ring will be sent to our belts. With two brushes, make them separate so that the O-ring can be recognized under our CCD camera. The display screen would show the quantity in real time. After meeting the preset quantity, it will come to our packing machine directly. Then it will send out automatically by these conveyor belts. Let's see this finished packing sample, which sealing from top and bottom. This video shows the application on rubber parts. The size range from 8 to 16 mm can be used on one machine. Rubber parts was feeding automatically to our belt channel. The parts were separated by two brushes and falling down through CCD counting. The quantity and counting status can be seen on display screen. For example, we set 100 pieces each pack. It will come to our packing machine directly after meet preset quantity. Here is the finished packing sample. The bag material is environmental friendly PE film, which is very durable. Due to the small size on vice seal, we create the small machine, which combine the counting with packing. The counting machine hopper connect with a feeding machine. Vice seal was sent out to two vibration channel, which are the big one and the small one. Big channel for large amount counting, and the small channel for accurate complement when meet the preset quantity. After that, the packing machine work. Bag cutting, filling, sealing. There is a conveyor belt on the bottom to send goods. Let's look at this finished packing bag. The cutting is neat and the bag is beautiful.